Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to pin YouTube comments. Right, so someone left a comment on your video and you decided you like to pin the comment. No worries, in this video I'll show you how you can do it. So please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any step. And subscribe, this will help me tremendously for more tutorials. Subscribe for more tutorials. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to that video and look for that comment that you left, that person left a comment, or that comment that you like to pin. Now look for that comment and then tab on the three dots. Please tab on the three dots right over here. Please do it right over here. Please tap on the three dots right over here, and then the next step is to simply tap on pin this button. It's right over here. You just need to tap on pin and you simply pinned the comment. Right, so let me demonstrate to you. Pin, and now pin this comment. If you already pinned a comment, this will replace it. And now please tap on pin, and now as you can see, pinned by the user. So that's pretty much how you do it. I really appreciate you for taking the time and watching this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.